It's Shirley here from Cuevas Helena, and I'm on the top of the cave to show you the light tunnels that we had to get put in to give ventilation and to give light into the cave. This one straight ahead, that's going into one of the wet rooms in room 2. So it looks like a little sort of like, what does it look like, Mark? A little mushroom?
Yeah.
We've got a ventilation here.
Yep.
So Mark, you've just...
That was all rendered and I just finished painting it today. And obviously we've got the light tunnels and ventilation as well. And these were all blocked at Capafina and then painted twice, 3 or 3 times a day. That's into the tunnel.
You won't be able to see right down because of the mesh, but that goes down, just shows the windows, and
It just opens up, it gives you ventilation, you can leave it a snibbed there.
it gives the air.
Yep.
So you've done them with a little help from Jim, but you've been up and you've rendered them and...
Yep, Capafina and then painted them today. And the other, obviously the other one as well.
That's not one that's straight ahead, that's actually that's a chimney going into the lounge for the log burner. And if I turn you around, if you see one in the distance, that's another chimney that goes into our cave, and there's one further back. So we've now got, what's that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these on the top of our cave. So this is the second light tunnel.
Bedroom 3, it's just the same as 6 metres down. Tunnel, just the same, finished off today.
Stand back, you can just see what it's like. So you had to what, Mark? You had to...
But to block it up, like concrete blocks, like mono. And then we had to Capafina, like render it, and then it's like 3 coats of paint.
So that's the...
Swimming pool paint on the top so it washes off.
Sorry, what did you put on there?
Coat of swimming pool paint, just so it makes it waterproof. Just comes off.
Excellent idea, that's good.
Yeah.
Good, so that's the light tunnels done. I'll turn you around and show you as I'm going to go down here. So there's the cave, and then we've got Mount Habalcon in the distance there. A bit cloudy today and a wee bit windy, but
Still warm, yeah?
still warm. So down here, this is this is going into another wet room. I'm trying to think what room that is, but that's 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ventilation there. And this area here, you can see it's sort of like flats. You've got that, getting that ready, Mark.
Yeah, level that out. Right, maybe I'll tile it just to make it good for putting a table and chairs up here, just for the views at night,
A good sundowner.
Yep, be good. Sit up here with your drinks.
Yep, excellent. You can see in the distance Mark's fans in the background, so he's been getting his paint up here. I'll show you a little. Up to the right you can see the pool area, and there's a hot tub. Won't go too close, but there's a terrace down there. I'll just turn you around and give you a little view. So that's up here done.
Yes, job done.
Job done, well done.
At the end.
And the next project we'll be showing you is when you get this done.
This terrace area.
That'll be done for the summer, hopefully.
Yes.
I'm sure it will be.
Oh yes.
Okay, thanks folks.
Thank you.